please introduce yourself?
Hi, Eric.
Sherry. Good morning. My name is Michelle Waller.
My name is Lindsay Garrison.
Hi, my name's Elena. I'm from here in Durham.
My name is Truly.
Hi, I'm Elena.
My name is Ashley. I'm a sophomore.
I'm also a sophomore.
Hi, my name is Diego. I am a first year biograd.
My name is Julia.
Hi, my name is Chris.
My name is Rachel Price.
My name is Albany.
I'm excited to get this Chinese money plant. I'm hoping it survives in my dorm. It might not.
Chinese money plant, and it's adorable, and it's going to go inside of my sunroom.
I just picked up a Chinese money plant because I used to have one back home and I obviously couldn't bring it here, so I'm excited to have a new one.
And then also this lime zinger because I think it's really pretty.
And I also have a lime zinger, which I'm excited for.
We are looking mostly for natives.
They have a nice selection of plants, of native plants that are good for hot, dry.
We're super excited about some of the native plants that we found here. We've got an oak leaf hydrangea. We're about to pick up a beautyberry. A few of the clearance sale plants as well. And you want to show them your air plant?
And a very long air plant.
Today I wanted to come out and find something that was specific to Duke, to the area. And I got this small yew that was first propagated here at Duke Gardens, and I'm going to find a nice spot for it at home and give it a loving home.
So everything I bought is on the bargain table. I love the idea of taking something that somebody else doesn't have much investment in and is an inexpensive price. We got some salvia, we have a herbaceous peony, we've got this is an evergreen of some sort, and this is a daylily.
The plants that I've discovered is something called mountain silverbell.
I am most excited for, I think, probably the mountain mint.
I like this plant because it smells nice, and it's a Appalachian mountain mint.
We're looking for hostas.
We came today to get some hostas.
I've always loved hostas, so I got a hosta plant here today.
Looking for lented roses.
I am trying to look rare plants. I am very interested in ferns. So as you can see, we have like a good variety of them.
I'm buying a Japanese painted fern today.
I got a Korean rock fern.
I'm really excited to get to see all these different plants, and I finally found something that I really enjoy. I decided to get some lamb ear plants. I think they're really cute because they're so soft, and so yeah.
This is called a lamb's ear.
I'm really excited about this huge rudbeckia that's going to grow even taller than you are.
Probably not taller than when I'm an adult.
Maybe.
Today I have picked out the winter's sweet, and so this plant will actually bloom. It's quite a mature specimen, as I'm told by Paul. He's very helpful. And so this would be nice to have next to her patio because the blooms are in the wintertime and they also are incredibly fragrant. And so it was really nice to get a specimen that's this mature so she'll be able to enjoy it sooner.
Got a plant, it's called Philadelphus indoorus. The name sounds like you have to grow it indoor, but it's outdoor plant. And I'm excited how it's going to come out.
We picked a bunch of really nice things for our new pollinator garden that we're building.
And I'm most excited about this echinacea plant.
There's a lot of flowers here and plants.
We're having a great time. We got some good plants for both shade and for sun. So we're looking forward to going home and planting.
Okay, we got some plants today.
We got all different types of plants, indoor plants.
So we love the Duke Gardens, and we like to support the gardens, and they always have some interesting stuff.
I like everything. I am excited about every single plant, and I like them all the same amount, which is a lot.
So I am pretty excited and happy that they are doing this type of events. I want to put some plants in the house, so this is a good opportunity to find some of them. So I am very happy to be here.
Seeing all the different varieties of, for example, the tulips. There's some different breeds that I've never seen before. It's just been a lot of fun just learning about all the different plants that they have here at the garden.
Really excited about all the work I have to do this weekend. We also have a succulent garden that we're get some additional succulents for.
I picked up perennial because it looks nice, and I have plant pots, and I don't have any flowers.
I got a Jurassic gold fern. Apparently it turns yellow. And then I got this really cool cactus here. It's an Opuntia.
and I'm really happy with my selection.
We're looking at purchasing, we're looking for some fragrant species of plants. So we looked at the tea olives, which are supposed to be very fragrant and for the fall, as well as some of the honeysuckle vines, which are vibrant in color. We chose a bright red vibrant, and it's going to have a very fragrant smell in the spring season throughout the summer time frame.
Today I got a snake plant for my apartment.
And we got some what's called snake plants, and this is an iron castor plant. And then we picked up anything we could possibly find that wouldn't run away from us.
I've been eyeing this Sun King Aurelia that grows well in our area because I have a lot of shade at my house. This is just plant heaven this morning, so this will be one of many plants that I pick up, and I'll be able to proudly put them in my garden, and when visitors come by I can say, oh yeah, I got that plant from Duke Gardens. So happy to be here today, glad they're having the plant sale. Happy gardening.